On this episode of What I Have in the Fridge, I made this of stuff I have in the fridge. I think a lot of us have a lot of things in the fridge that we could make something with but have no idea. So here's something like a roast type, a one pan, frying pan, baking pan dish with veg and sausage. So starting with zucchini, I got two zucchinis because I'm cooking for two, and I cut them in like half slices. And then mushrooms, I'm quartering these. I always cut down the stem because I just feel like there's it absorbs dirt, so it's just safer to cut it off. It's just cleaner that way. So quarters like that in here. Then I have sweet pepper. Yes, these are sweet pepper, not chilies. You may have bell pepper. You may not have it, then it's fine. But these are so delicious, and bell peppers are so delicious when you bake them, or you can also grill them, which will give it a little charcoaly flavor to it. That'll be so nice. But I am way too lazy to go to the grill right now, so everything is just gonna be baked all together. Here I have some sausage. I get this from Costco, and I really like these because they're not fatty at all, and they got this like really delicious texture and flavor when it bakes. I am cutting these diagonally because I feel like that's just more appealing, and also that's how they do it in restaurants. So just cut two long sausages, I mean as much as you want for two people. In my veggie bowl, I'm adding olive oil, about 2 tablespoons, and then black pepper. This is the part where you can get creative. I'm also adding salt, and then I have this like spice mix for some meat thing. This one, it has all kinds of little things, but I feel like it's basically like oregano, thyme, maybe a little bit of cumin. There's some garlic in there too. You can also add some curry. Zucchini and curry goes very well together, so just add spices, whatever you have at home, throw it in there and then mix it. The oil helps it to stick all together. In my baking pan, I put some parchment paper, and I'm layering down the veggies, and I'm putting the sausage right on top. So if the sausage releases some juice, it will be absorbed by the veggies underneath. And my bell peppers, sweet peppers, I'm putting them on the side because I want to taste the flavor of the pepper without the spices. I bake this for 20 minutes, 370, and then I'm mixing it so then this way the zucchini is more exposed to the heat because it already absorbed some flavor from the sausage. And this is gonna go back again for like 15 minutes, and look at that. Look at that, beautiful. It was so good and so hearty, even though there's no like carbs in it. No, there's no starch. It was still very filling. It's healthy. It's definitely lower calories than if I were to add some rice or potatoes. So it's pretty healthy. I think I think it will be all keto without the peppers, but so easy to make. And here's some idea if you have stuff laying around in the fridge.